creating more false EAS alerts. I switched to my Radio Shack because the Recom's been very uncooperative lately with the activations. So, alright, this is, I just did a double header severe thunderstorm warning. So now this is going to be a severe weather statement. Maybe. I might have to turn it on just to see what's going on.
20 miles an hour. Gusts up to 35 miles an hour early in the evening. For Tuesday, mostly sunny, breezy. Highs in the lower 50s. Northwest winds.
Okay. So it is kind of responding. Just not well.
Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the evening. For Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. For Wednesday night, mostly clear.
The problem is the iPod. Like, on a lot of my other radios, the iPod actually starts silencing channels. On here, it doesn't. And in fact, when I tried to just do the iPod alone, the radio will not recognize. I mean, it doesn't recognize it. I've tried. It just doesn't work. So I have to hook it up through the stereo, which the stereo doesn't do any silencing, but it does produce a very loud sound output, which is enough to activate this thing. So, that's... Alright, we're going to try this again. Okay, the headers are going through. There it goes. Let me jump a little.
Frost will be possible early Wednesday morning across central Illinois north of Interstate 70.
Okay, we're going to go to EOM.
To reach too near or just below freezing, similar to what happened over central Illinois this past Good Friday morning.
And it didn't even get the EOM.
Should be covered with cloth or taken indoors, especially Wednesday night when a freeze is possible. Tonight's temperatures are expected to reach into the lower to middle 30s. However, surface winds should be strong enough to keep the atmosphere mixed, preventing any frost from forming early Tuesday morning.
There it goes.
You have one unread message.
And now I don't.